Hi, welcome to another JCB tutorial. My name is Llewellyn van der Merwe and I would like to demonstrate to you the new update path or distribution path for JCB. So over the years we have started developing component sort of improvements for JCB, and we made those available to pro members who has either financially or otherwise supported the project's initiative. And eventually those features do then become available to the public, or as I would call it, part of the community. And yet it's been difficult to get to these, and I make apology for that. It wasn't intended. And so part of what I'm doing here now is to try and mitigate this difficulty. You can now get it by just using this package. So every time we release a feature to the rest of the community, we will be updating this package. And so slowly you will be getting all the pro member features eventually. So our pro member initiative is a means of encouraging others to support the project, and then in return get access to certain features earlier. But by no means does that need to cause any difficulty to the rest of the community. So here we have a package today, which now from here on forward would be the means to update your JCB component quite easily. So what is the idea? The idea is that you'd come here to git.vdm.dev/Joomla, and basically you should arrive on this page. And if you do a search Joomla package like this, you should find this package component builder as the first, or at least is one of the options. And opening this, you can then either download the master branch from clicking download repository, or you could download the latest tag, whichever you'd like. And to see what is the latest version of whatever plugins are here, for example, plugins to target various header parts of your extension, so that you can include or use namespacing in some of your files where you would like that. Also to bundle your languages, ordering certain admin views differently by default, integrating Privacy Suite with your extensions, and adding your component to the native action log, and many more such plugin features available. I'm sure trying them out would be quite surprising at some of the nice functionality that's already public from the pro member initiative. Okay, so I've prepared a website where I have a component installed, JCB component, still on version 2.12.10, and even if we go to the managing of component area and we search for component, we see that it's only the component that's installed, which is how most of you probably would have it. And so basically demonstrating how easy it is to move over to the package distribution option. So having downloaded the package, you would just do a normal install at the first time, and this will then add the new just get the package. So there it is, and basically install the package. Now you'll see that it has updated your Joomla component builders installation, but it has actually also installed all the plugins which were not here previously. Now you should activate these plugins as you would like to make use of them. There has been many tutorials made on how some of these plugins work, so I would encourage you to head over to the tutorials on YouTube and just search for let's say header tabs, or just maybe headers in the playlist, and you probably find some explanation. Also check out the Pro Member playlist, for many of these tutorials may only be available there. Now, when you've enabled these, especially the ones that says extension, these ones, they need to be enabled twice. It's a bit of a pain now, I know, but it is how it works. So you need to enable it here by clicking yes on enabling those. I'm just going to enable everything. Then you need to head over to the component builder and click on options, and you'll see there is a compiler tab, and here you need to activate those extension plugins to actually execute in the compiler. Otherwise they won't execute at all. So that is a second step needed to make sure that the extension plugins are actually pulled into the compiler. These plugins actually trigger upon various events in the compiler, and will only do so if they're listed in this list here. So you can then just select those and close, save and close. Heading over to the update sites, you'll see that there is now a new update site for the package itself. And so you might get notified by both of these that there is an update, but I would encourage you just to update the package, and that should take care of updating both. Okay, so that is the new update path, and you still would see that it's outdated here, and you would then just go as usually to the update area, and it will show you the update is here. If not, you can just say find updates, and if there is an update, it will show it up here. You just select the package one and click update. That's how easy it will be to update all the plugins and component from here on forward. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I am sure it will save you again a lot of time doing it this way. Until next time, take care.